You're hiring data analysts all wrong, focusing on diplomas and buzzwords, not the business impact they deliver. That mistake costs time, money, and momentum. Curious how to stop it? Watch this video and you get a practical, compliant framework to assess data analysts step by step. You'll walk away with the right must-haves, soft skill tests, sourcing tips, and fair evaluation tools. Data is the new currency, but only useful when someone translates it into action. The right hire drives revenue, saves costs, and removes bottlenecks. The wrong hire creates noise and confusion. So let's change how you hire, starting with what truly matters. Short, structured steps ahead, from skills to interview questions to unbiased scoring. We cover must-have hard skills, soft skills, where to source talent, and fair testing tools. Stick around, I'll give sample questions and real examples of strong versus weak answers. Ask yourself, when was the last time a perfect on paper hire truly moved the needle? If that answer is unclear, this guide is for you. Ready? Let's start with the core technical skills, smartly prioritized, not exhaustive. Next, what to demand and what to relax. 2. Technical skills get candidates to the interview, but which ones actually predict job success? Separate absolute must-haves from nice-to-haves. Must-have number 1, rock-solid SQL. If they can't query your data, nothing else matters. It's the language of your data stack. Must-have number 2, data visualization. Tableau, Power BI, or Looker skills to make insights accessible. Visualization is how analysts talk to your team. Must-have number 3, practical data cleaning and transformation. Turning messy inputs into reliable outputs. You want someone who documents assumptions and handles imperfect data. Nice to have, Python or R for advanced analysis, automation or modeling. Also useful, familiarity with your tech stack or cloud platforms can be learned on the job if core thinking is strong. Prioritize based on your immediate needs. Reporting and dashboards. Prioritize SQL and visualization, predictive work. Prioritize Python R. Don't chase tool parity, hire for problem solving and learning agility. Stop chasing the perfect resume, hire for core skills plus curiosity. Next, the human traits that make analysts indispensable. Technical skills get interviews, soft skills get results. Top traits: relentless curiosity, problem solving, communication, resourcefulness, and persistence. Curiosity shows as digging beyond the ask, asking why sales dipped on a specific day, or which cohort drives LTV. Interview question to test it. Tell me about a time you found an insight outside your brief. What did you do next? Problem solving. Can they design a cleaning plan and state assumptions? Ask, walk me through your step-by-step process for a messy dataset before analysis. Listen for concrete steps and trade-offs. Communication is non-negotiable. Insights must become action. Ask, explain a complex result to a non-technical executive. What's the one-sentence takeaway? Strong candidates simplify and recommend next steps. Behavioral prompts to use. Curiosity. Describe a time you went beyond your brief. Problem solving. How did you handle conflicting data sources? Score answers on evidence of approach, impact, and ownership, not charisma alone. Weak answer. I love data. Vague, no specifics. Strong answer. Specific project. Steps taken and measurable outcome, e.g., increased retention by X%. Test soft skills with scenario questions, scorecards, and take-home work that reveals thinking and communication. Next, sourcing and fair evaluation tools. Great analysts aren't always applying. You must go where they are. Start with job boards, but focus on 2 high-value sources. Top pick number 1, a structured employee referral program, high quality and culture aligned. Top pick number 2, targeted LinkedIn outreach to people at comparable companies, personable, not spammy. Niche communities like Kaggle, Slack, Discord data channels, and GitHub showcase real work. Great for senior hires. Portfolios give you the best signal of actual capability. Use a structured interview scorecard. Agree on 3 to 5 core competencies and define weak, average, strong. This reduces gut bias and ensures consistent comparisons. For technical assessment, give a short, realistic take-home case with a sanitized dataset and a request for a 10-15-minute presentation. This tests SQL, visualization, problem approach, and communication, the best predictor of on-the-job success. Avoid pedigree bias. Consider blind resume review focusing on skills and outputs. Use structured interviews so you don't stray into illegal or irrelevant questions about age, family, or personal background. Scorecards, sanitized take homes, and agreed rubrics give you fairness and predictability. Final, avoid common pitfalls and hire for long term impact. Rushing to fill a seat, over indexing on pedigree, or skipping reference checks. Common traps. A candidate with real project evidence often beats a shiny diploma. Use blind reviews and structured interviews. Same questions, same order. This limits illegal or biased questions and improves legal defensibility. To assess fit, ask behavior-based questions tied to values, not personal details. Compliant phrasing. Tell me about the best team you've been on. What made it effective? Action steps. 1. Define 3 to 5 competencies. 2. Build a short take-home case. 3. Use a scorecard and blind review where possible. Small changes now save weeks and costly bad hires later. Weak hire, piles of unreadable spreadsheets, no clear story, works in a silo. Strong hire, clear insight, recommended action, measurable impact. Hire thoughtfully, the right analyst is your bridge from data to profitable action. Review your process, plug gaps, and start using scorecards and work samples today. If you're hiring right now, visit peopleteam.com, hiring for templates and playbooks. Subscribe for more hiring guides. Thanks for watching. Go hire the analyst who actually moves the needle.